Hello, welcome to AI Factory. If TikTok doesn't get banned, that's great news. But if it does, where will all the content creators go? If you make a living on TikTok and are struggling right now, don't panic.
The clock ticking on TikTok with the U.S. ban set to take effect on Sunday. So now American users are flocking to a different Chinese social media platform, making it the most downloaded app in the U.S. It's called Rednote.
Hello, TikTok refugees from the US. Welcome to Rednote, 小红书.
Hi, TikTok refugee. When I opened this app the morning, I was completely shocked. I was thinking, am I getting to the right app?
Now we've got TikTok refugees like you guys flooding 小红书. Is it just me or this app feels like a new world?
Don't panic. Rednote is rolling out the red carpet for the wave of TikTok refugees. And yes, it's as dramatic as it sounds. It has even skyrocketed to become the #1 downloaded app. This Chinese platform is your new creative playground, packed with the hottest trends, the craziest ideas, and a never-ending scroll of food, travel, and fashion inspiration. Basically, it's TikTok's quirky, artsy cousin. But make it international. Don't let your creativity roam the internet like a lost puppy. Grab your phone, download Rednote, and claim your spot in this fresh, thriving hub today.
Do you speak any English? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Need help? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to download Rednote and unlock your pro-level skills in no time. Let's get you started on Rednote. Download the app. If you have an Android phone, go to Google Play. If you have an iPhone, visit the Apple Store. Search for Rednote, then click Install. Installation process. Open the app, agree to the terms, and click Continue. Sign in for Android. You can sign in via Facebook, Google account, or phone number. For iPhone, you can use your phone number or app ID. Agree to the terms and conditions, and proceed. Profile setup. Select your gender and age, and choose at least 4 interests. Permissions and notifications. Confirm the app permissions and notifications, and you're all set. Explore and enjoy tons of incredible content. Welcome to your new world of Rednote. Many people use their Google account to sign in, but you still need to provide your phone number when posting. There are multiple ways to sign in. When you use your phone number, Rednote will send you a verification code. If you don't receive the code, wait 5 more minutes. If you still don't get it, click Resend Code or try retype your number again. Some users mention that checking your WhatsApp messages might help if you don't see the code, or try logging in on a newer version of an iPad. However, I'm not sure if this Chinese app is available in your country, so please verify your country code. After logging in, you'll notice a simple layout, similar to TikTok. The red plus sign at the bottom is for uploading your files. Me is your profile section, and there's a shop icon instead of a friend's icon. Under the Explore menu on the top bar, there are many categories you can browse by swiping left. To post your file, click the red plus sign. There will be a request for access to your album, which you might need to allow if you set it to limited access initially. Add a title with a maximum of 20 characters, then a description of the video or image, followed by tags. These hashtags will automatically categorize your content. Since many of the hashtags are in Chinese, you might need Google Translate. However, as more TikTok refugees join this app, you'll likely see more hashtags created in English. You can change the language to English by clicking the gear icon, going to General Settings, and selecting English. The app can switch to English, though you might still notice many details appearing in Chinese. Keep in mind, this platform is designed primarily for Chinese users, and we're just guests in their digital space. Graciously welcomed as TikTok refugees. Let's not ruin this beautiful friendship. Taking the time to learn a bit of Chinese, respecting their platform, and playing by their rules is not just polite, it's essential. Note: your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days. Set 2 to 24 characters for your nickname, excluding invalid characters like @ / etc. You can only update your personal bio 3 times within 7 days. If you face network issues or other challenges, try again later. In account security, you can set your login password. There are numerous privacy settings to explore and personalize. These are the basic settings to familiarize yourself with after your first login. Enjoy exploring your new world on Rednote. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial on mastering Rednote. Thank you for watching.